Welcome to Mishna Sanhedrin Masechah Sanhedrin Perek Mishnah Daled. So over here now we're going to continue pick up on the theme of the Anshe Nidahat, the people of an idolatrous city. Right, we mentioned the first Mishnah, the ninth Perek. These people get Heinek. These people get Hereg. Right, they'll get the sword. And Anshe Nidahat. What are the laws? How is it carried out? So right? They convince the people of the city, their own people of the city to worship Avodah Zarah. They're not killed. They don't right. They don't get killed by the sword. Actually, until the people who convinced them to worship Avodah Zarah were from the same city, and from the same tribe as them. Until the majority of the city worships Avodah Zarah. It needs to be men who convince them to worship Avodah Zarah. But if it was women or children who convinced them to worship Avodah Zarah, right, the entire city, or a minority of the city, wasn't the majority of the city who worshipped Avodah Zarah, or the people who convinced them to worship Avodah Zarah were from outside the city, they came from abroad. Then the people of the city who worshipped Avodah Zarah are judged like individuals, right? We'll see what this means. You need two witnesses and a warning for each and every one of them. This is a chumrah when it comes to yahidim, then over the majority, right? Individuals worship Avodah Zarah. There's a certain chumrah as opposed to the entire city. Right? The individuals who worship Avodah Zarah, they get sekila, which is a much harsher punishment. Therefore, because they have such a harsh punishment, their assets are saved, right? Their children could inherit them. The mirubim, the majority, meaning an entire city who worship Avodah Zarah, they get saif, right? They get the sword. The fichach mamonam aved. Therefore, their money is lost, right? And as the pasuk says, right, ir and kol shalala, everything needs to be destroyed, as it's as mentioned in the Torah. That covers our Mishnah. Our next couple of Mishnah until the end of the Perek is going to discuss the rest of the Pesukim of this Ir Nidahat.